What is up guys, done at the side. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can change shapes in Lucidchart. So first you need to head over to Lucidchart's website and then you simply need to sign up or log in with your Lucidchart's account credential, and after that, when you are redirected to the home page on the left side, you need to click on new, and then you need to hover to Lucidchart. And if you want to create a ready-made design, you can choose create from template, but if you want to create a new design, just simply click on blank document. After that, in the new tab, your blank document of the chart will open. And then here in the blank document on the left side, you can see multiple shapes. Let's say I want this shape. So as you can see, this shape has been appeared here in my editor. And I can also search for some templates. If I want any of them, I can just simply hover to them and then click on use to use these in my Lucidchart project. Now to adjust it, when I click on this, I can just simply add a connector to it. And then I can add another shape for the connection. And after that, if I want to adjust it, I can just simply open more and more connections for different uses. And after that, when I just select these, and I can also just enlarge and make it short. And if I want to delete it, I'll just simply right click on it and then I'll click on delete to delete it. And if I just want to delete it via keyboard, I'll just click on it once and then click on the delete key on my keyboard to delete that particular shape. So this is how you can choose and change the shapes in Lucidchart. That was all for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching.